In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix cursor moving by itself Windows 10. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you various solutions to help you address any problems that you might be having with a mouse where the cursor keeps moving by itself. So if you notice that your cursor keeps jittering or moving by itself, it is usually attributed to the actual mouse that you are working with. To start, I would highly recommend trying out a different mouse, just to be sure that the problem is attributed to the actual mouse. Now, of course, if you don't want to go through the trouble of acquiring a new one just to test this, you can still follow these alternative solutions, but oftentimes, knowing that the problem is indeed the mouse will fix your issue, and at that point, it is better to just replace it altogether, especially if you have a cheap one. Now, if you want to try out some solutions, first go over to the control panel, and in here, access the mouse category. Now, the very first thing that you have to do is go into pointer options or buttons and change the pointer speed. So if it is set to way too fast, make sure that you lower it a little bit, usually at the middle. Next, you can try enabling Enhanced Pointer Precision. This is essentially mouse acceleration if you are familiar with the term, and sometimes it can help to make it more stable. Then apply the changes and see if it works. If it doesn't work, then like I said, the problem could indeed be attributed to the mouse that you are using. You can try cleaning the actual sensor, so take a look at the bottom of the mouse and also make sure that the surface where you are using the mouse is clean. If you see a lot of dust and debris, the actual sensor on the mouse could be picking it up and jitter around because of it, so clean it thoroughly. The next thing that I would recommend is right-click the Windows icon, go into the Device Manager, and in here you will be able to find the mice that you have connected. You can always try updating the driver, so right-click each of them that you see here and then update driver. If you have a gaming mouse, such as one from Logitech, Razer, and so on, you just have to open up the respective software, so for example the Logitech G Hub, and they will update the firmware or the drivers automatically. Besides this, there's not much else that you can do. If your mouse is powered by batteries, make sure that you exchange them, look at the bottom, see if everything is clean, and oftentimes this problem is simply attributed to a poor sensor, so I would highly recommend trying out a different one if you can. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix cursor moving by itself Windows 10. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.